Here's how to fix OneDrive not syncing in Windows 11. There are a few solutions you can try, so let's start with the simplest one. First, go to the OneDrive icon in your taskbar and right-click on it. Then, click the Settings icon in the top right corner and select Quit OneDrive. After that, click Close OneDrive. Now, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch the application again. In some cases, simply restarting OneDrive like this can resolve the syncing problem. If the issue is still there, once again, click the OneDrive icon in your taskbar, open the Settings icon, and then select Settings from the left-hand menu. Next, choose Account and click Choose Folders. Make sure the checkbox at the top is selected so that all files are available. Then, click OK. After doing this, check OneDrive again to see whether your files are now syncing correctly. If the problem still hasn't been resolved, the next step is to reset OneDrive using a command. There are 3 different commands you can try, and you can test them one at a time. These commands are used to reset OneDrive and can often resolve syncing problems. Start by copying the first command shown at the top. Right-click the command and select Copy. I'll also leave these commands in the video description so you can easily copy and paste them. Next, open the Start menu, search for Run, and click the Run application. Paste the command into the Run window and press Enter. If you receive an error message after running the first command, you'll need to try the second command instead. Copy the second command, paste it into the Run window, and press Enter again. If the command runs successfully, OneDrive should open automatically. Once it appears, you can check your files again to see whether the syncing problem has been resolved. As you can see, my files are now ready to sync, so the issue has been fixed. And that's it. So that's all for this video.